Manny Villar's life story is a true rags to riches tale that continues to inspire many Filipinos. Born in Tondo, Manila in 1949, Villar grew up in a poor family. His father was a government employee and his mother sold seafood in a local market. From an early age, Villar helped his mother sell fish, instilling in him a strong work ethic and a deep understanding of the struggles of ordinary Filipinos. Villar put himself through school, earning a degree in business administration and later a master's from the University of the Philippines. His education, coupled with his entrepreneurial mindset, laid the foundation for his future success. He started his career working as an accountant but soon realized he was meant to build something of his own. In 1975, Villar ventured in the real estate industry by starting a gravel and sand business. With just a small loan, he took a huge risk in Foundation Camellia Homes, focusing on affordable housing for middle-class Filipinos. His bold move paid off and the business grew rapidly. Villar's knack for identifying market needs and his persistence turned Camellia Homes into one of the country's largest property developers. Villar's success in business opened doors to politics. He served as a congressman and later as a senator, even became Senate President, though his bid from the presidency in 2010 was unsuccessful. He remained resilient. Today, Manny Villar is one of the richest men in the Philippines, with a diversified business empire that spans real estate, retail, and media. Manny Villar's journey from selling fish in the market to becoming a billionaire is a testament to hard work, determination, and vision. His story proves that enough grit and perseverance, one can rise from humble beginnings to achieve great success.